Well, it's been 2 years since I've upgraded my Google Pixel phone, and now that the 11 Pro and 11 Pro XL have been introduced, and 2 generations later, as I have the 9 Pro XL phone, I ended up pulling the trigger. Now, I wasn't going to because I really wasn't paying attention. I didn't see the Google presentation, and all I heard was, well, it's only coming with 12 gigabytes of RAM, but you get 256 gigabytes of storage. And now I'm going away from the SIM card to eSIM. And I said, well, I'm not going to get it. So a couple days later, I went back to just see some other videos, and I saw in comments that you can get it with the 16 gigabytes of RAM, as long as you get 12 gigabytes of storage. And that worked out well because 256, I get close often. And now with 512, I'll have plenty of storage space. So excited about that. And I want to do an open boxing today and share with you about the case that I have, which is the same that I have on my 9 Pro XL phone. I love it. Also the screen protector. With comparing the photos and videos, I picked up this product, which I think will work out well. And I'll put a link to everything, including this. So if you want to do a comparison with your devices that you have, and then also a product here for external storage. So one thing I will recommend is getting the warranty. And now they offer even theft warranty. It's $2 more. So I'm gonna do that, pay monthly. It's a little bit more expensive for the 11 Pro XL phone, but I had to exchange another 9 Pro XL phone for this one. And what was happening is I was shooting videos and my voice was fading, and it was really weird. It kept happening, coming and going. And so had I not had the warranty, I would have had to go to a store, leave my phone. With the system too, it looks like it's even better now where they quickly get it next day to you. So I would definitely recommend getting the extended warranty. So that is my thoughts with that. Now let's go ahead and show you how they package it. By the way, they did it, I don't know if they had done it differently last year, but if you're new to upgrading, you will get not only the phone, you will also get your box for sending in your old device. They used to send it separately, now it's smart. So you get the box, and then in there you have the instructions. There is no pin for taking out your SD card. If you have that, you're gonna wanna do that. In here, you have the white sleeve. It's kind of buried underneath that, which you're gonna put the phone there. I don't know why they didn't just put that on top. And then below that, you will have your return label. It's UPS, so they put the label there, UPS ground, and you need to have that back within 30 days or they will charge you. So just be aware of that. And if you decide to get the phone and you're not sure if it's going to be for you, whatever reason, they have especially an unlocked phone, which I got the unlocked, then it's 15 days where you have to request to send it back, and then you could do that. All right, so we'll go ahead and take this off and let's check it out. Excited to get this set up. So I'll have to do all that. I won't have time to share that part in this video, but I'll share that experience once I get it set up. Let's take a look. And you get the cable, there's no brick. Oh, actually, in here is probably where the SIM is, or the pin. Let's see if it does come in here. Yeah, you just get the instructions, there is no pin. So there you go. I don't even think this is an instruction booklet, but there's some verbiage in there. And now you've got the phone, and I went with the black as I did with the other one as well. There we go. So there is the 11 Pro phone, 11 Pro XL phone. So you could see this had the silver finish on the edges, and here it's a black finish. Actually, I thought I had gone with black, but I went with a grayish finish before. This has got a nice smooth surface as this one as well. Back there, you can clearly see it's much bigger on the new one. Now, the thing that I really love about my case, and I'll show you here with the new one, it's the Taurus case. Highly recommend getting it. There is a version that works with the wireless charging, and I recommend you know, if you need that to go with that one, that's more expensive. I think it's 60 something dollars. Otherwise, this case is perfect. And I've dropped my phone many times. And so the case has held up really well. And oh shoot, it is turning on, but that's okay. I will deal with that later. Now it looks like they did a better job. It looks like they've done a better job with the sides of the new case. But here's what I love about the case is the stand. So you can put it on an angle like this, and there you go, which is nice. And you can also hold it in your hand when you're taking photos, which is great. And then you could spin it so you can hold it at different angles, and then that closes. So I would definitely recommend to get the Taurus case. So I'm gonna go ahead and just power this off for now, and I will again program it later, but I love the Taurus case. The other thing, which I will set up my screen protector, is this brand here. I'll put a link to it. I have it on my phone here, and as far as the thumb, it is very responsive. I haven't had any issues. Let me see if I hold it away from my face. I think I should have maybe it's because it knows that I'm near my phone that I don't need to use my thumb, but the screen protector has worked very well. So again, this is the one I would recommend getting. Again, the case. So the last thing I wanted just to share with you is this external hard drive. This is the DG Era external hard drive. This is 2 terabytes, and it is great. You just plug this into your Type-C. On the back of the case, again, this is the same type of case. It's got a magnetic backing. You can see it lights up. And then what is so cool is it then sees it as a drive. So you click Explore, and then it's going to see all your files, and you're good to go. I can click on that, and you can look at any images. If you got videos, it will play them, and you are good to go. So it's really, you know, it's fantastic, and it works really well. So you could check out that. I'll put a link to it. So stay tuned for more as I share my experience with the new 11 Pro XL phone, as I have a chance to set everything up and share those videos and photos. And if there's something you want to know from upgrading to the 9 Pro XL phone to the 11 Pro XL phone, let me know. I'll be more than happy to cover that. And I hope you have a great day, and I hope you enjoy the 11 Pro XL phone. Take care.